Managing international equity is a marathon of local regulations. Many companies make the mistake of treating a grant like it's a set it and forget it, when in reality, global equity is a series of obligations that evolve over time. First, tax laws update annually. For example, in the beginning of 2026, we've already seen major shifts in Italy and Brazil. Second, the nature of the award changes. What starts as a grant becomes a payroll tax duty at vesting, and finally, a reporting event at sale. And the rules aren't just different by country, they are different by worker type. Whether someone is a direct hire, a contractor, or an EOR employee changes everything, from their eligibility to how you report their income. So, how do you manage this without turning it into a compliance fire drill? You design for the whole life cycle using 4 steps. First, confirm the worker type and the country. Second, choose an instrument that fits. Remember, you can't give ISOs to EOR employees. You'll likely need NSOs or RSUs instead. Third, stay ahead of local events. Identify exactly what is taxable at vest or sale. And finally, make it operational. Ensure those events translate cleanly into your payroll system. If you can match the right instrument to the right worker and handle the withholding at the moment it happens, you avoid the biggest compliance surprises. This is exactly why we built Equity and Token Services. We provide the infrastructure and expertise to handle these complex obligations. From managing the unique processing and reporting requirements for EOR employees, to providing precise payslip simulations for your direct employees. Get dedicated support, close compliance gaps, and let your team focus on growth. Turn equity into your greatest tool to build global talent and not a legal burden.